February 6th, 10:15. My block is almost worn off. I have pain, like, on my shoulder, where, like here, where they gave me the block. I can feel, like, pulsating pain, like, in my wrist area where they did the scoop. And I've got pain. So, I took one Percocet before I went to sleep. And I took one at 7:30, so the recommended dosage they gave me was take 2 every 4 hours, but I wanted to start light just to save them for when my pain got worse. And I'll probably take 2 at 11. That's it. I'm just trying not to move around, icing it, keeping it elevated, looking at Facebook. It's important to pump your fingers for the blood flow, and I'm just trying to, like, breathe deeply so oxygen will get to, my arm and promote healing. I haven't eaten anything. I'm thinking about it, but I don't know if I feel like going all the way downstairs. But I'm going to keep it in a sling. See, I can move my fingers now. That's about it. It causes pain in my hand. It really does. But, see, I can move them now. I don't know if my arm... This morning, I thought my arm was no longer numb. And I was trying to move it, to position it on the pillows I've got set up. I've got all these pillows set up so I could prop this arm up. But it just, like, spun around. It rotated right at the elbow and whacked me in my face. So I was still a little numb, but as the numbness wears off, the pain gets progressively worse. But it is what it is, so I'll get better soon. I'm listening to guided meditations to help with pain management and relaxation, and just to help work on my breathing. And that's all for now.